Gũkũ nĩ kwa Kikuyu podcast. Thĩinĩ wa interview ya ira, Rigathi wa Gachagua outsmarted mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Yvone Okwara na araikia Yvone Okwara kona. Remember, interview ĩkĩambĩrĩria, Yvone Okwara ahuanaga aroragia ciũria cirahuanaga ta arenda gũfix Rigathi wa Gachagua, especially thĩinĩ wa tribal na ethnicity, hau niho arendaga kũmũfix. But Rigathi Gachagua proved he is a good debater. Ti mũndũ ũngĩfix thĩinĩ wa interview. He proved he is not tribal, ũrĩa Yvone ageragia kũmuonia nĩ tribal. Hena handũ hangĩ Yvone arendaga kũfix Rigathi wa Gachagua, na ndamwĩkĩra videos, ladies and gentlemen, igetha tũrore interview yothe ya ira, nĩngũthiĩ ngĩmwĩkagĩra videos. Hena handũ Yvone arendaga gũfix Rigathi wa Gachagua ira, na nĩho rĩu andũ marokire na mararehe thĩna mũno, na nĩkĩo ũronire mathiĩ interview yoka, mathiĩ break, Yvone Okwara aracokire thĩinĩ wa interview ahorerete mũno. Hena kĩũria aroririe na aroririe Rigathi wa Gachagua ũhoro wa Kinara must go gũcemania na itoi cia Al-Shabab na RSF a Sudan. Yvone akorire Rigathi wa Gachagua atĩrĩrĩ, atĩ provide evidence ya maũndũ maya, macemanirie kũ na nĩ aũ. Gachagua aroria Yvone atĩrĩrĩ, we advocate wa must go, atĩrĩrĩ, ndũreke must go ye mwenyewe ajũrie ciũria icio kana acokie ciũria icio. Atĩ ithe ndacokirie ũhoro wa China, nĩkĩ ataracokia ũhoro wake gũcemania na itoi. Acoka aramwĩra investigation ici ci thĩinĩ wa Senate ya America, na amwĩra I was in America, so maũndũ maya mothe nĩ njũĩ ũrĩa marenderea. But Yvone enda kuonania Gachagua atĩrĩrĩ, ta atĩ maũndũ marĩa aririe ũhoro wa Kinara gũcemania na itoi nĩ maheni, nĩkĩo aretagia nĩkĩo amwĩra approve, no Rigathi wa Gachagua athiĩ na evidence kwa karatasi maũndũ marĩa marendea thĩinĩ wa Senate ya US. Yo ũrĩa Yvone Okwara aroririe mũndũ ti Rigathi wa Gachagua. Ndia tũthikĩrĩrie, ladies and gentlemen, igetha mũigue ũrĩa maũndũ mararĩ mũthenya wa ira. Iguei ũrĩa Yvone Okwara aroragia na Gachagua aracokirie.
You have put the allegation. I have put the allegation. So would you want to provide that with facts? When and where did the President of the Republic meet Al-Shabaab leaders? I am saying William Ruto can answer that. Did he meet them or he did not meet them? Are you saying him? The onus is on him. No, the onus is on you. He who alleges must prove. He's the one to ask me to prove, not you. Or you are not his advocate, are you? I'm a Kenyan. No, I know. When you make an allegation, do you not expect... And why did he answer the one in China? No. When you make an allegation, do you want nobody to hold you account for what you allege? Let me tell you. And this is why we're asking you here now. Let me tell you, Yvone. This matter is under investigation by the Senate. That's fine. That's understood. I just want to understand from you. You say the president met Al-Shabaab leaders. When and where? And for what purpose? What I have said, that this allegation was made by the Senate. No, this allegation was made by you, Mr. Gachagua. But the other details on top of this bill. I was in America. Every bill has attendant facts and figures. Mr. Gachagua, when we have an opportunity to speak with the members of the Senate of the United States, we'll pose the same question to them. Yes, you will. Tonight, I am speaking with you, who has himself said that the president has met leaders of Al-Shabaab. What we not do. So we're going to ask you... We will not prejudice investigations by giving details of what we know. Even like RSIF, I have said I have a lot of information that is available to those who are investigating this matter. Have you given all this information? Because this was a request that was given by the state authorities. I was in America. I was in America. You're here now. I did many things in America.
Guys, nĩũkũigua ũrĩa interview ĩrambĩrĩirie. Yvone Henry aendaga gũfix Rigathi wa Gachagua. But this guy is very smart. Very, very smart. Kuringana na uria aracokirie kiuria kiu. The matter is under investigation, so ndangĩũka prove na kana kũrema evidence is under investigation. Now he was in America. Koguo kwĩna maũndũ maingĩ na kwĩna maũndũ maingĩ mũno mekwĩyumĩria. Hena ũndũ ũngĩ ndĩrenda tũrore, ladies and gentlemen. Hingwa mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Okwara aroririe Rigathi wa Gachagua atĩ athiĩte kũmeet tribal communities kũrĩa thĩinĩ wa USA. Rigathi wa Gachagua nĩ amũcokeirie tondũ Yvone araigaga kũmũria atĩrĩrĩ, nĩkĩ ũrathiĩ gũcemania na Agĩkũyũ kũrĩa USA? Nĩkĩ ũracemania na Agĩkũyũ? Nake Gachagua aramũcokeria amũria atĩrĩrĩ, nĩkĩ Gachagua nĩkĩ Ruto atuĩte na State House areta rĩngĩ ageta Gĩthii ageta kwĩkoni Agĩkũyũ, nĩkĩ aracemania nao mega kurubu ka andũ kuma tribe fulani? Yvone ndanahota gũcokia by the way. Oniguo Yvone aroririe Gachagua. Gachagua, why did you meet tribal communities in the US instead of organizing a national meeting if you truly claim to be nationalist? Atineke ata organize mũcemanio wa a national meeting involve kabila ciothe. But remember, Rigathi wa Gachagua nĩ augĩte nĩacemania na Gĩthii and so on and so forth. Gachagua aracokirio, why does Ruto meet tribal communities at State House? Just the other day, he met the Abagusi and Kamba communities. He is scheduled to meet other tribes this coming week. Is he a tribalist? Mona? So they try kuonania Gachagua ni tribalist, tondũ acemania na andũ gũcemania na andũ akuma specific tribe thĩinĩ kũrĩa America. No akamũria atĩrĩrĩ, mũtongoria wa bũrũri to nĩ acemania na kwĩko nĩ Gĩthii ageta Ikamba, akamũria ye nĩ tribalist. Okwara egũcokia atĩa? Na hau niho rĩu mageragia gũbicira Rigathi wa Gachagua. Reke ndĩmuonie ũrĩa interview ĩno ĩroire mwerekera. Gachagua hena kĩũria aroririo about corruption. Na kĩũria gĩkĩ arera Yvone Okwara. Okwara amũria atĩrĩrĩ, atĩ thĩinĩ wa interview ĩno andũ nĩmegũteire mũno maigua ũhoro wa corruption. No ti ta ciũria iria ũkoragia mbere. Na arera Yvone Akenya nĩ ma complain na njĩra nene mũno nĩ ũndũ wa ciũria iria ũkwaragia ndwaria ũhoro wa corruption. Tũraria ciũria cia tribal maũndũ ma tene. Ũrĩguo Rigathi wa Gachagua ararĩria Yvone igwei.
Do you think high-level corruption is an issue in the country? It's a big issue. It's our biggest issue. In fact, when you break, people are sending me messages asking, what is this Yvone is asking? Ask her, we want to discuss about corruption. Because this is what is ailing our country. And I can tell you, Yvone, State House has become a crime scene. Last 2 weeks ago, 15,000 young people were there. The wife given 2,000 as a bribe so that they can say 2 term. Corruption is being practiced in the highest office in the land in broad daylight. The deputy president is carrying money with sacks, bribing women, bribing young people to say 2 term. And then the president is here pretending that he can fight corruption. Where does he start? When he was talking in that meeting, after the meeting, he gave those MPs each 100,000. After complaining that they're asking for money and he doesn't want corruption, why was he giving them 100,000? Those MPs have salaries. Why was he giving him money? So what I'm saying is, and Yvone, when we get to the right discussion, we must discuss. It's because against the advice of Uhuru Kenyatta and many people that we are going to elect William Ruto and is a corrupt man, and we'll cry. We are crying. And I myself take blame because I ignored it. I thought it's propaganda. And corruption has become a way of life. Corruption is the modus operandi in our administration. And State House is a crime scene. And bribery is a major policy of this administration.
Ucio Rigathi wa Gachagua agĩtarĩria ũrĩa kwĩna ungumania. Ciugo nĩ atarĩirie atĩrĩrĩ, niki okete akarugama na Kenya na neritie ndia tuthikirie video yake Rigathi wa Gachagua muthenya wa ira ni aria maundu maingi muno ati ye ni courageous. In fact ni augire atiriri ni enda kora kuria pipeline tukone higaini na muno ya gwithiria ngari-ini yake na Gachagua kauga no ngina angiokirire tondu andu angi ni makomire parliament ni iguritwo Raila ni agurirwo igetha atetere Akenya nao niguo Rigathi wa Gachagua araugire kei muthikirie video muigwa ria Rigathi wa Gachagua nake augire o thiini wa uhoro ucio
of Kenya and not many people are courageous militia the persecution of Kenya and not many people are courageous. Let me tell you for what I have undergone myself, the humiliation, the persecution, the brutal attacks by police and goons. Not many people can stand it. You know, I'm a man of a kind, but I've decided to do it for my country. And not for my community, for my country. Because somebody must do it. Somebody must stand out and say, no, this is not acceptable. You know? And since now, Raila was compromised, Parliament has been captured, Senate has been captured, some character somewhere must stand up and say, no, we must stand up for the people of Kenya. That is what I'm doing. A closing statement from you, Mr. Gachagua? Yeah. Your closing thoughts? I want to say, I have seen our sugar factories in Western Kenya, Nzoia, Mumias, Chemil. They have all been leased. People have been rendered redundancy, and the sugar industry has collapsed.
Guys, iyo niyo irari interview ya mundu ti Rigathi wa Gachagua. This guy, from my point of view, is very smart. Niyo ciuria ndito muno from the word go na Yvone Okwara gina andu marakinyira marona Yvone kare gutumwo aratumitwo tondu ciuria icio irari ndito muno na ukona kania Yvone ni taenda go fix Rigathi wa Gachagua in terms ya maundu ma tribal kuma maundu ma tribal maundu ma allegations ya Al-Shabaab and so on and so forth. But Rigathi wa Gachagua acokirie ciuria icio wega muno na aroka riu ara image ye riu nie ina nyore mwiki muno. Yvone wanted to corner Rigathi wa Gachagua, but Gachagua cornered Yvone. Yvone arenda gwikira Gachagua corner-ini, no Gachagua arekira Yvone corner-ini. Yvone arenda go prove Gachagua ni tribal, but Gachagua proved himself he's not tribal. Yvone, from my point of view, arenda go prove Gachagua maundu maria aragia ma kana allegations cia kinara gucemania na itoi ni allegations, but Gachagua proved is not allegations and evidence na undu uyu ni urarerio thiini wa Senate ya America. As we speak, this government must be somewhere, they must be shivering no ngina magiko nego ina na maraina tondu maundu maria marario muthenya wa ira ni maundu marito. This guy is smart. Gachagua is very smart. He's sharp. Nionanirie, he's not a tribal as andu aige uria makoretwo makimwita. Naonania wega muno that ye ni amenya uria areka. Guku ni kwa Kiko podcast. Moni manyu mraiko inyu muranatia. Thank you guys matino mathime. Guys, it is what it is. God bless you. Thank you guys.